Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm going to be continuing playing today with my bloom paints and practicing my skills here. I have a 14 by 18 inch cradled wood panel that I'll be working on. I want to go a little bigger than my 8 by 12 tiles. And I'm going to be playing with the splatter bloom again. I hope to leave some negative space and maybe do some scoop and drags. We'll see how that goes. But before I do that, I want to tell you about something exciting that's happening this Friday. I started a Patreon account called Nate's Art Lab, and I have 11 people who have joined. I'm very excited that we're doing our second monthly collaboration, and I set them an interesting challenge this month. It's all about consistency. So everybody chose their favorite technique, and they're doing 2 paintings. One in the correct consistency, and then the second one in a wrong consistency. I think so. This will really help. Everybody in the group has learned something about consistency, but it'll also be really good for the viewers to see the difference between their paintings. If you're having a problem with not getting the results that you want, usually the issue is consistency. So hopefully this will help people troubleshoot their own paintings. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I've seen some of the work that everybody has done in the group, and it's gorgeous stuff too. So come back and join us for that. I will post a playlist on my community tab, and I will be starting at 11:30 Pacific time, and I believe that means 2:30 East Coast time in the US. So please join us for that. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put down my pillow paint, which is Glidden indoor house paint with eggshell. And then I have, for my colors, I have some really interesting colors here that I have mixed up. This is Amsterdam Persian Rose. This is Amsterdam greenish, turquoise green. This is Amsterdam Crimson Red. And then I also have some Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, and I have 24 karat gold from Deco Art. And then my cell activator is Prussian Blue from Amsterdam. So I will list all of those all the ingredients in my description box below. And let's go ahead and get started.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
What lies on the horizon, horizon before us? My heartbeat calls your name. Can anybody feel the same? Covered by the twilight, it's alright. Tell me, when does it end? My heartbeat calls your name. Covered by the starlight, it's alright. Come on.
So here are the results of my splatter blow. I scraped the first one because it wasn't the composition I wanted. I really wanted to see some of that splatter, and but I was also looking for I wanted it to look like a flower on a stem. So that's why I kept swiping down from the blowout to kind of create that flower stem look. And this kind of has it. I need to work on the positioning and how much pillow paint I'm using, but I still really like this. I'm really interested to see how this dries. I'm also interested if someone can tell me whether my cell activator is too thick or too thin here. There's cells and lacing, which is great, but it's not quite defined the way I want it to be. There's some pretty stuff happening in here. You can see that gold and the metallic cobalt. Look at that section right there. Almost a watercolor effect that you get from that, that splatter blow. And then look at this row, like a string of boulder cells coming up through here. I really love those. Can we see, how close can I get? Let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at those, aren't they cool? I love that. Look at that. Oh my God, that is so cool. That is amazing. Oh. And look at this, almost like a corkscrew, like from a flick and spin. Oh, some really cool stuff in here. I'm glad I was able to save the some of these splatters. There we go. My phone keeps wanting to go out of focus. That looks like a lobster claw or something. I do like these colors. Blues and reds always go together, I think. Oh, I need to pop that bubble right there. There's some more really interesting cells. Focus, focus. Look at that. Ooh, pretty. I love that. And then this section down here where I swiped. Come on, phone. There we go. I love the darkness of that. I'm so glad that I used that Prussian blue. It's beautiful. I really love that. There's some really interesting transparency happening in here. I love the gold. I'm happy with my color choices. I want to play with this some more. Maybe I'll go to an even bigger canvas, but I have to remember next time, less pillow paint. I had to spin this a lot to get down to an acceptable thickness. And I was using just a metal skewer to kind of test in how deep the paint still is. And it just barely left a little bit of paint on there. So I think we're good. So I will have dry results for you soon, but I'm happy with this. I hope you like it too. Stay tuned for Friday's premiere train for Nate's Art Lab. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and come back and see me sometime.